In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert HTML code in Gmail. Email Composer. To begin, open Gmail in your web browser and go to your inbox. Make sure you are signed into the correct account, since Gmail can switch between profiles and that can be confusing if you have more than one. Once your inbox is loaded, you are ready to start creating a new message. Next, click the Compose button. This opens the Email Composer window, usually in the lower right corner of the screen. Take a moment to confirm you are in a brand new draft, because the steps that follow are meant to place HTML content into the message body area. Now, click inside the body of the email and highlight the area where you want the HTML content to be inserted. If the message is blank, you can simply click in the body and drag to highlight the default empty space, or highlight any placeholder text that may be there. This is important because Gmail will insert new content where your cursor is, or it may replace whatever is currently selected. Highlighting helps you control exactly what gets replaced. After that, click Insert. In this workflow, the Insert option is part of the HTML insertion tool you have available in your Gmail Composer. When you select Insert, the tool places your prepared HTML into the email body. If you are using an extension that adds an HTML editor, you will typically paste your HTML in the editor first, and then use Insert to apply it to the draft. As a practical tip, keep in mind that Gmail is selective about what HTML and styling it will keep. For the most reliable formatting, use inline CSS styles instead of separate style blocks. Also, if your HTML includes images, they should be hosted publicly so they can load for recipients. If an image is stored in a private location, many people will see a broken image or nothing at all. Once you have inserted the HTML, quickly scan the email body to confirm spacing, fonts, links, and images look the way you expect. If anything looks off, it usually means Gmail has adjusted the styling, so simplifying the HTML often improves results. That covers everything you need to know.